Hello everyone. Today we have started lecture number 3, unit number 1 and article 2, that is first fundamental form. So the what is meant by first fundamental form or metric form is ds square is equals to e du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square. This is equation 2. This is a fundamental form or metric equation. And I have studied in last lecture the two identities, that is capital N is equals to R1 cross product with R2 upon H, and H is equals to mod of R1 cross product with R2 is not equals to 0. Then we get this H square is equals to EG minus F square is greater than 0. These are the necessary condition of this equation, and E and G is always greater 0. It is a necessary condition. If E means what? R1 dot product with R1 and G means R2 dot product with R2 minus F means R1 dot product with R2 whole square by the fundamental coefficient. Okay, this is the values of E, R1 dot product with R1 and F, R1 dot product with R2, and G means R2 dot product with R2. या फॉर्म मधून आपण याला असं सुद्धा लिहू शकतो. H is equal H square means squaring on both side. H R1 cross product with R2 is equals to R1 square means E dot product with R2 square means G, and minus R1 dot product with R2 whole square. This is the value of F square greater than 0. Next theorem is the metric is a positive definite quadratic form in du dv. पहिली तर क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म म्हणजे काय असते, मॅट्रिकहून क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म आणि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशनहून मॅट्रिक्स फॉर्म आपण कसं लिहू शकतो ते पाहावं लागेल. सो व्हॉट इज मीन बाय क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म. सपोज I take a matrix Q is equals to 2 by 2 matrix A11 A12 A21 A22. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. So multiply row y by x1, row by x2, and column wise again x1 and x2. So Q is equals to first entry is A11. So multiply row wise x1 simultaneously column wise x1, that is x1 square, plus A12 multiply row wise x1 column wise x2, plus A21 multiply by x2 column wise x1, plus A22 multiply by row wise x2 and column wise again x2, that is x2 square. In matrix commutative properties always holds, so I can write A11 x1 square plus 2 times A12 x1 x2 plus A22 x2 square. These are the quadratic form. Okay, क्वाड्रॅटिक फॉर्मवरून आपल्याला मॅट्रिक्स सुद्धा लिहिता येते आणि मॅट्रिक्सवरून आपल्याला क्वाड्रॅटिक फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिता येते. क्वाड्रॅटिक फॉर्ममध्ये सर्वच एंट्रीज ह्या रिअल असतात अँड द आयजन व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ द क्वाड्रॅटिक फॉर्म इज ऑलवेज रिअल. ओके, अँड द फर्स्ट कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ द क्वाड्रॅटिक फॉर्म इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 and A12 is equals to A21 because commutative properties hold and all these entries are real. So this is a quadratic form. So let's start the proof. A quadratic form is Q is equals to A11 x1 square plus 2 times A12 x1 x2 plus A22 x2 square. This is the quadratic form. For real values of x1 and x2 is called a positive definite. या क्वाड्रॅटिक फॉर्मसाठी x1 x2 हा रियल व्हॅल्यूज असल्या पाहिजे, त्याला म्हणू आपण तेव्हा की दिस इज अ पॉझिटिव्ह डेफिनेट. इफ x1 and x2 is a positive definite, then q is always greater than 0. For every x1 x2 is not equals to 0, 0. The condition for q to be a positive definite, हे क्वाड्रॅटिक फॉर्म पॉझिटिव्ह डेफिनेट बनण्यासाठी आपल्याला ज्या काही कंडिशन आहेत त्या ह्या की a12 इज इक्वल्स टू a21 हे दोन्ही इक्वल असले पाहिजे आणि a11 हा ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असला पाहिजे आणि डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ a11 अँड a22 मायनस a12 होल स्क्वेअर हा ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असला पाहिजे. म्हणजे EG मायनस एफ स्क्वेअर हा ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असला पाहिजे. तर we shall verify that the metric is ds square is equals to e du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square satisfied जर this condition, तर आपण याला असं लिहू शकतो, या इक्वेशनला मल्टिप्लाय बाय e and simultaneously divide by e. So 1 by e divide by e in all equation and simultaneously multiply by e. So e into e, that is e square du square plus 2ef du dv plus eg dv square. So 1 by e is a common and this equation add f square dv square and subtract f square dv square. हे आपण करू शकतो, एखादी टर्म ॲड किंवा सबट्रॅक्ट, ॲड आणि सबट्रॅक्ट सायमल्टेनियसली करू शकतो. सो 1 by e is common and I can write e square du square plus 2ef du dv and plus f square dv square, write in one bracket, plus this term eg dv square and this term minus f square dv square. So this is the expansion of a plus b whole square. So 1 by e is a common and याला आपण असं लिहू शकतो e du plus f dv square dv whole square. This is the expansion of this term and plus in dv square both two term dv square is common and remaining is eg minus f square. This is eg minus f square and the value, and this is the value of h square. So I can put here h square dv square greater than equals to 0. Why it is greater than equals to 0? Because in h square is equals to eg minus f square greater than always 0. Then it is greater than equals to 0. Next, for all values of du dv and h square greater than 0, जर du dv च्या प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यूसाठी h स्क्वेअर हा ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असेल तर आपण ह्याला असं लिहू शकतो e du स्क्वेअर प्लस 2f du dv प्लस g dv स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू 0. म्हणजे ds स्क्वेअर हा 0 होईल. जर हे 0 होणार तर इफ अँड ओनली इफ e du प्लस f dv स्क्वेअर प्लस h स्क्वेअर dv स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू 0 राहणार. जर हे 0 होणार तर e du plus f dv square is equals to 0 and s square dv square is equals to 0. Again e du plus f dv is equals to 0 and dv is equals to 0. Therefore h square is equals to 0. Then e du is equals to 0 and f dv is equals to 0. Therefore f is equals to 0 and f is equals to 0. Then du is equals to 0 and dv is equals to 0 because e is greater than 0. But both du and dv cannot vanish together. जर du आणि dv वॅनिश होत नसेल तर आपण असं लिहू शकतो, hence that matrix e du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square is a positive definite quadratic form in du dv and hence the proof. Next theorem or invariant property. Theorem is a the metric is a invariant under the transformation of the parameter. Invariant means old component is equals to new component. This means invariant. Okay, let's start the proof. Let the parametric transformation be u dash is equals to phi of uv and v dash is equals to psi of uv. These are the two parametric transformation system, u dash and v dash. So let the equation of surface be r bar is equals to r bar of u dash comma v dash. Hence I can write here r1 dash means partial derivative with respect to u dash is equals to, by applying chain rule, we get del r by del u into del u by del u dash plus del r by del v into del v by del v dash. Okay, and next the value of del r by del u is r1 and del u by del u dash is as it is right here, from plus the value of del r by del v is r2 and del v by del v dash is right here as it is. So this is equation 1. Similarly you can find r2 dash. The r2 dash means partial derivative with respect to v dash, and by applying the chain rule we get del r by del u into del u by del v dash plus del r by del v into del v upon del v dash. The value of del r by del v is r1 and del u by del v dash plus r2 del v by del v dash. So this is equation 2. Or similarly r2 dash is equals to r1 del u by del v dash plus r2 del v upon del v dash. Further, by applying chain rule, du is equals to del u upon del u dash into du dash plus del v upon del v dash into dv dash. This is the equation 3. Similarly we can write dv. So dv is equals to del v upon del u dash into du dash plus del v upon del v dash into dv dash. So equation 4. If e dash, f dash and g dash are the first fundamental coefficient in the new parametric system, e dash, f dash and g dash, these three are the new fundamental coefficient in the new parametric system, then we have, I can write here, e dash du dash square plus 2f du dash dv dash plus g dv dash square is equals to, so I can write e dash means r1 dash square into du dash square plus 2 times f dash means 2 times r1 dash into r2 dash du dash dv dash as it is, plus the value of g dash is a r2 dash square dv dash square. Okay, so this is the expansion of a plus b whole square. This is the expansion of a plus b whole square. So in bracket r1 dash du dash plus r2 dash dv dash whole square, this is the expansion of this. So using equation 1 and 2 in the above step, we get new parametric system of the metric equation is equals to this term. This term is equals to this term. Okay, then expand it, this term a plus b square, so a square, that is r1 square du square plus 2 times r1 r2 du dv plus r2 square dv square, and the value of r1 square means e du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square, and hence the metric is the invariant. Therefore new parametric system is equals to old parametric system in both these two equation, both are invariant. So hence the metric is a invariant, and hence the result.